China is already in a crazy state of shutdown, and now, of course, we have a brand new, new this year, festival in China called the Moon Festival. What the hell is it, and how will it affect us here in Australia? In this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of stuff, where I'm helping you build your business on Amazon here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know that you like this kind of content and I can do more of it for you. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I post brand new information just like this each and every day, all about helping you build your Amazon business. If you've got any questions for me, post them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get them for you. All right, let's get into it. So right now, as you know, there's some craziness happening in China with getting your stock out of China. A lot of that is related to COVID and the crazy amount of backlog that's been created as a result of a couple of the ports closing due to outbreaks of COVID at those ports. And so there's been a backup, and that's led to more and more backup. And then because there's COVID in other ports, there's freighters that can't actually get in. So, bit of a shit fight at the minute. But that's going to be exasperated by the upcoming Moon Festival. So as I shoot this, which is the end of September, the Moon Festival starts kind of now, tomorrow. So depending on when you're going to watch that, that's either going to have gone and you'll be past that, or you're going to be right into it. What's that though? What the hell does that mean? Well, the Chinese celebrate the Moon Festival every year, and it's their second most important holiday after Chinese New Year. And so this is kind of like an old festival to celebrate crops and things like that. But what it means for you and I is, over and above the beautiful prettiness what goes on happening with that, they do all these lanterns to represent the moon, and they also have these fantastic moon cakes which are delicious. But over and above that, what's that really mean for us? Well, it means that China's closed. So it is supposed to be a 3-day public holiday. Okay, so everybody gets these 3 days off. But in reality, what happens is, like all holidays, they get elongated. So depending on what day the moon holiday falls, it can turn into like a 7-day holiday. And that in and of itself wouldn't be so bad. You know, I'm all for holidays. Holidays are bloody awesome. But what that means for you and I is, depending on when you get your order put in to your supplier in China, that either means they'll rush to get it out before Moon Festival starts. Well, that's good. Or it means that you'll put your order in, they'll forget about it, and they'll prioritize, importantly, their existing customers. So if you're a new customer, you're screwed. They won't do yours until after the Moon Festival. So it could put at least a week, and usually 2 weeks, onto your production time. So that sucks. So next time, I'm aware that was kind of coming into it. Next time, just be aware of that. And there's something super cool you can do, okay? Your suppliers in China, well, that's just some Chinese dude or dudette that happens to run a factory, and they're just a regular guy with a family. They're just a human being, yeah? So if you wish them Happy Moon Festival, maybe send them something, talk about the Moon Festival, they will love this. They will love this. You know, it's like somebody coming in when it's Australia Day and saying, hey, happy Australia Day. You instantly feel more of a kinship with them. So do that. It's a really nice thing to do. Okay, so that's Moon Festival happening right now. It will cause delays. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia. Over 2,600 members from Australia and some other countries as well. We let some other folks in with sales of over $50 million on Amazon this year alone. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and indeed come and join us so you can learn too, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.